How to upload high-quality video on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. You'll see options for 15 seconds or 60 seconds. Select 15 seconds for this example. Press Record to start capturing your video. Once done, tap Stop. After recording, tap the check mark, then Next. Scroll down and press More options. Here, make sure to toggle on Allow high-quality uploads. This ensures TikTok won't compress your video too much. Next, return to the homepage and tap your profile. Then tap the three lines in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Data Saver and turn it off. Data Saver can reduce video quality during upload. Go back to your home screen, open Settings, and use the search bar to find Camera. Tap Front Camera, scroll down to Video Resolution, and select High. This sets your camera to record at the highest quality available. And that's it. Follow these steps every time to upload sharp, high-quality videos on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more TikTok tips.